No?
Yes. Greenland is the is it? It's a country, right? Not a continent. Or is it both?
No, it's a country.
Yeah.
It's technically like a colony.
Yeah, but isn't that like when you play Plague Inc. What's it called?
Plague Inc. Yeah.
Yeah, oh that you have to get it. You have to get it quickly, otherwise you're screwed.
Yeah, true.
That game's great. I like that game. And you can play. Do you have that game?
Plague Inc. Well, I
Yeah.
can get it on my phone.
Because you can play against your friends on it. You know what I'm saying, Doc? You know what I'm saying?
Can you?
Yeah,
I've never done that.
there's multiplayer. You compete who's gonna infect and kill the most people.
Damn. It's
Yeah.
Plague Inc. on Steam. I think it is, but isn't it like paid?
Yeah, it costs like money or something.
Wow, it's crazy that it doesn't cost like Lucas.
Lucas Coin, yeah.
Yeah, well, you can just pirate it also.
Oh my god. We don't do that. We're live now, okay?
Oh yeah. Like, and you can buy it with your honest money. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Because I think I've forgotten to ping live stream like now for 6 or 7 days.
How is this possible?
Yeah, I don't know, man. You aren't paying me enough or something.
No, you ain't paying me enough.
I see.
Yeah, that's right. I also changed, if you look at the stream, I changed it kind of like, it's kind of bad because you cannot see the full left
No,
side. But
oh, but who cares about that?
yeah, people care about the code for some reason. I don't know, we'll leave it like that until somebody complains, because people seem to have liked that more. So yeah, I'm going with that for now. And we're gonna change this a little bit. Hello Chupacker. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. I'm good. It's kind of nice the what's it called?
Lucas.
Oh, hello.
Instant death.
Hello. You have resurrected yourself from the dead.
Can you guys
Yeah,
hear me? Yeah, you guys can hear me. Good.
Yeah.
No, we can't hear you. We
Yeah.
can't hear you.
Shut your. Like, I don't trust you anymore, Harold.
And no one does.
Yeah.
For reasons.
Pretty good reasons, I think.
Yeah, pretty good reasons.
Actually, I'm not supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be in material. Yeah, we're still working on this thing. Or actually, it's this thing now. But this thing kind of should be. Oh my god, this is so dumb. This is so dumb. Why make this thing like this? And they make stupid choice. What the fuck? Why is? Oh my god. I have to uncomment it separately? No fucking way. Ah, yeah, because it was yesterday. It's Friday today, yeah. It was yesterday that I moved things around just to mess around, and then I fucked up everything. So yeah. That's what's happened. Insane telescope skills. Lamau, double comment. Thank you. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? Fuck. I'm trying to become better, okay? I'm trying, I swear. I'm trying.
Yes. Bro, Nuldefer, I was going to do the exact same thing.
Trying to become better?
Yeah, no.
Trying to do what? What are you guys on about?
Yes.
I was trying to I was trying to bankrupt Harold again. I failed. I failed
Yeah.
miserably. Oh,
And I robbed
shit.
you.
Dang
Yeah.
it. Dang it.
I bought
Okay.
some weapons with the money that I got from you, and then yeah.
Great.
Oh, I should rob Damon.
XD Neutral, very talented. Come on, Mr. Internet Guy, don't do this to me. You're the one who's
Time to
supposed
gamble.
to be
Gambling.
honest.
Gamble?
Gambled.
People are gambling.
Gambled.
You're basically John.
I gambled.
Neovim.
I gambled and I won.
1,000? What?
Who is John Neovim? Guys, who's this person?
John Neovim. John Neovim is the person that made Neovim.
Oh, that's good to
Ah.
know.
Bro, I never win these dice players. Like if I do it.
I'm
Oh,
bankrupting.
what am I
All or
trying?
nothing.
Right.
Ah.
No, I want it to be there, don't I? Yeah. That's crazy. You're basically John New. Yeah, John Newhim. Am I saying that wrong? Anyways.
I think you aren't.
Thank you.
You basically are John Neovim.
I am John Newhim, alright guys? It's confirmed.
Yes, you're John Neovim the second.
Why not the third? I think the third sounds cooler.
It's like, you know, a sequel to a movie. It's usually still like fine, but a fucking like part 3
Yeah,
usually
okay.
gets
I
stale,
mean,
doesn't it?
that's why Steam has been so great, because it never have released TF2 3 or a Half-Life 3, you know, they just stop at 2 because you don't need to go further than 2. If
Yeah,
you go...
see, so you're winning, being John Neovim the second.
Yeah, that's true, that's true. If somebody comes along and being the
Because
third
of
one...
course Half-Life 2 is better than Half-Life. That's an opinion.
You know, because third is kind of, it's almost the same as saying third, and third is not good. You don't want to be a third.
God damn. What kind of like... I think this is like such a 10,000 IQ play that the IQ is a fucking signed integer and it just rolled over back into the negatives.
You guys have gambling again? Guys, you better stop gambling. You know, it's not good for you.
No, we're done gambling. I gambled everyone's money and I won.
You gambled everyone's money, what the hell?
Yes.
John Neovim founded Neovim in 1932. Is Neovim that old? No way, it's that old. Is it that old?
Yeah, no, Neovim was made in like the 1910s or something. Just right after the planes or something.
Wait, what? When was Neovim released? Created. We'll go for created.
I'm gonna say
2014.
Yeah, no, okay.
When was Wim created? Who was Wim?
90s, 80s?
91, or wait, there was something else now. Wait, so, bruh.
Yeah, but the VI was the base one.
What? VI? Yeah, VI was the next thing I wanted
Like
to
it started with VI and then...
Yeah.
Then Vim is VI improved, which like... Okay, that's a really weird acronym. Whatever. The thing.
Yeah. Bro has not been to the Vim History Museum, no. Fake news. It's older than the dinosaurs. Wait, do you mean like dinosaurs from the earth like yesterday or something? Bro, I missed it.
So sad.
Yeah. It's a material set. Alright, I call it descriptor set, but I haven't... Someone clear identifier. What do you mean? It's right there. Well, they don't seem to be picking up the same. Are they actually material instance. No, they should be the same. Material instance need to pass. Okay, something is different there, definitely. I don't know what that is, but we're just gonna go with it. What? That's also the oh. Yeah. Like so. Ah, well, that's better. Okay. Now, this is still wrong. Let's say material instance dot descriptor set is equal to descriptor allocator that we get in, and then we do have an allocate. We need to take in an allocator, a logical device. Yes, I do prefer it though. I could store it in the descriptor allocator. Well, I guess if it's called a descriptor allocator, isn't it fine then to store the allocator inside of it already, or should I always pass it? I guess it's an allocator in the name already. Harold. God damn it, did he die?
Yes. No.
Yes.
Yes, thank you for answering. I guess we'll never hear of Harold again. But Harold. Should I pass the allocator always when I want to allocate with the descriptor allocator? Because it's like already allocator in the name. Should I just store the allocator in it already by default when you initialize it?
If the descriptor allocator, like if you're taking the allocator like everywhere, can I say the descriptor allocator?
I don't know if I know. It's a growable. So
Okay.
yeah, in the init, in the clear pools, in the dinit,
allocator,
in the allocate, yeah, it's taken.
allocator.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can store it.
So then I just do it once in the init, and then I just because it makes sense.
Yeah, you
I
just know
think.
that the allocator is pretty big. Also put it at the top.
Should
You
I
know,
have it?
allocators come first.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
but
don't just
you
store a
know,
pointer
don't
to,
forget.
or
No, don't store pointers to it.
well, I just need a.
Well, I mean, technically, you could store a pointer to a constant one.
Yeah.
That you could do. But usually you don't do it like that, so don't do it like that.
Okay. Well, we'll just store the allocator, and then we'll take it in the init, and then I will just return that allocator equals allocator. Allocate. Fuck. Ah, nah. Locator. Damn. Easy. And then I can pretty much remove it from all of these. And then here we'll just say self that allocator. Now we'll take that one away. I don't know, I'm not very comfortable navigating only using keys. And oh, look at that. Wait. Here I actually need to do it for all of these. Self allocator. Yeah. And then we'll go here. Move that. And there's how many of them are there over here? Why did you go back up there? Okay, there's only one. Self that allocator. And now wait, there's one. Damn it, I'm stupid. It's okay. We cannot always be smart. Device. Use one clear identifier. Device should be right. Oh, how did you do that? Okay. And then Allocator option. What? Ah, section. Right. Uh-huh. Self that allocator, and then we'll self do this also in here. Get pool. Self. Oh no. Create pool. But this one doesn't take in the self. Maybe it should. Create pool. Let's see. Well, I mean, I don't really have access to the self here. No, not. Well, I guess no, I don't. And then in the get pool. Yeah, in this one we can still take it in. Yeah, it's fine. We just do that, and yeah. We should be okay then with everything that's going on right now like this. So then we will already have the allocator, and then in here in the growable, we won't have to do this. We don't have to pass in the allocator. Woo! Instead, we just pass in self logical device, so the device. And then I don't have the same. Then the layout and the pnex, which will just be on the normal. You have the layout already. We do have the layout, the material layout. I don't know what they call. Right, it is. Is this part of the thing, or is this? Because if it is, then it. Oh, we take in self here, so we do have. What is that material layout referring to? Let's see. It's descriptor set layout. Oh, so it doesn't matter which one I take because I'm using the same for both my style. We should be fine by just taking either or. They both use the same layout. So we can, I think we go opaque, and then it's the graphics dot layout. That's a bit cursed. We don't changing it. And then a rider. We don't have a rider, so this is also a little bit funny. We actually need to create one. This is so bad. This is so bad. Or I could just temporarily create one and not store one in here, and because if it's not required, we could do that. Oh no. Okay, the script rider. I mean, I could create a rider once. They do. Yeah, they do not use anything. So they can exist just like that. Yes, okay, no, this is fine then. Okay. And wait, I do store descriptor set. Wait, what the fuck do I actually know from? Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't store it actually. They do store it, but I don't. Layout builder, then they just store that material layout, and then you wait. Material layout handle. Does it actually need to be stored like that? That's so weird. Okay, this is getting out of hand. I'm just saying that this is weird. But okay. But this... Yeah, if I don't destroy it, I guess. This is just a type in it. Yeah, we should be fine by just assigning it. Then we, this should still... no, it will not. Or it will. It will. Yeah, it will actually. Self. No. Yeah, I do actually have to do that too. But what I want to do was self. Oh, that's self. This is. Did I call it material layout? I think I call it descriptor layout. Descriptor set layout, yeah. Descriptor set layouts. Layouts? That's hella misleading. Oh, descriptor set layout. Oh, that's misleading as fuck if that's the case. And then just material layout. And then we'll also do rider is equal to empty1. So. And then we can just self dot layout dot d init. I don't know what it takes in. Doesn't seem to find it. Okay, great. It's okay. We will get back to it in a bit. And then we can do a self dot do I have to go clear on it? Have append image, append, and then clear. Yeah, no, I don't need to call anything on it. I just it's just itself. Yeah. We're good. We don't need to do that. But apparently we'll do it here, so we will do self. Wait, I got this. It's yeah. Fuck, I took it there too. No, why did you go up there? So the rider, clear, and well, actually, we don't even use the same C++. Fuck, I forget. Rider dot append buffer, and then we'll just do VIP. Hey, I didn't VIP. What? Right. Let me just do this. It's easier to repeat. That right. Writer dot right. Append buffer. Then we do VIP. VIP. VIB. What? Is it VIC? It should be B. Why is it not doing anything? Ha 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 ha.
That.
Hello?
Oh, it's Damon.
It's Damon?
Damon is dead.
Nice. I don't know.
Nice.
I'm a supportive friend, okay? What the fuck happened? Where did I go? What
Yeah,
happened?
no.
Where am I moving? What's going on?
Are you so supportive? Such
Yeah,
supportive.
that's just kind of what I do, you know. What's happening right now? What am I doing?
Yes.
What can I? I'm so confused. Okay. Okay, I will just pretend that everything is as it should be. I have no idea right now. Something weird happened. I don't know. My keybindings are fucked. They do stuff that I'm not supposed to do. Okay, I need to pass in resource data buffer. Oh my god, this is crazy. And then a size of material constant, and then descriptor set type and offset. Okay, so that's the resource thing. Okay, this I'm starting to feel like this is a bad idea, but we will do it. Data buffer, bam, and then we will have add size of, and we'll do material. I should have the same material constant. Oh, they're just called constants.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Wow, big sneeze.
Thanks. I've been practicing, you know.
Mad. Great. Great. You're clearly winning.
Thanks. You know, one day I will be famous for sneezing and you will be remembered.
Is that a threat?
What? No, 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 no. It's bro, what the fuck? I cannot speak and think at the same time. It's just remember me, okay?
Just okay. Okay. That sounds sad.
Sad? No, no, no. It's joy. It's joy. It's
Like-
good. Trust me, bro. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. It's always good. We're always good here. Why do I never know? It should be VIB, but it's not VIB. Is it CIB? Oh, it's CIB. That's why. I'm a bit.
Yeah, it's like C. I don't know what C is for, but insert backwards. And V is for visual. Visual insert
Yeah.
backwards sounds silly.
Yeah, it's pretty silly.
Pretty silly.
VIB would view in block, aka select
View.
everything in block. Oh, and then CIB can't in block.
What did he say?
What?
What did he say?
I can't. It's Swedish
Can you
for
repeat that?
for corner. For corner. Okay.
Oh, can't.
Yeah, can't.
Yeah, well, it sounded like you said something else.
Yeah, I know.
In English.
Please change in block. Okay, I see. I see. D for delete. Y for yank. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah. Y is for yank, D is for delete.
I use yank a lot. I hate when you
Are you a
delete.
serial
Always yanks it.
yanker?
What?
Are you a serial
always-
yanker?
No, I'm you replace Y with W.
Mm-hmm.
God dang
Also,
it.
guys, can we fix your code real quick?
What's wrong with it?
Okay, so you see here, right in front of you, it says if pass equals pass dot transparent, right?
Yeah. Don't-
Yeah.
You-
Well,
Don't tell me you want to do a ternary operator on that.
bro, why would we not use a ternary on
Because the
that?
ternary operators in SIG are cursed, I feel.
They're literally not. But also,
I
the
feel
pass.
that. Okay.
What? It doesn't pass have like also other and something, or what does the pass in them have?
It has other, yes.
Okay. And what do we do if it's other?
Okay, I'm just following this tutorial. I have no idea.
Okay, so bro, first of all, we're gonna fix this.
I don't think we will,
So do
bro.
material data in. No, I think you will. I think you will. We
I don't-
won't
I-
use ternary. All right, we won't
Oh,
use ternary.
Bro, this might be throwaway code. I have not decided yet, so I'm not gonna make it good until I know.
You can always try to make your throwaway code clean because it's not gonna be throwaway, and we all know it.
It's good. It's gonna be throwaway, bro.
It takes 4 seconds to fix.
Yeah, but that's 4 seconds of me trying to fix
Drinking
it.
tea. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
I could be
4
drinking.
seconds of you debating whether it should be a ternary or an
Yeah,
if, as in like an
exactly.
expression of.
Just let it be,
I
Harold. Let
I
it
don't know.
go. Let it go.
No, 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 no,
It's
no,
it's
no, no,
it's
no, 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 no.
it's not worth it, Harold.
It is worth it, bro. Just fix it. It ain't that
I,
hard, and then you can also learn Sig
You know,
at the
I
same
will
time.
fix it when it makes sense, but for now that doesn't make sense to fix because it's like I'm just
Real,
following this thing
you're never gonna fix this.
and I might not even keep it the way it's done because I don't like the way they do stuff.
Because how much do you want to bet that this will be here permanently?
A whole dollar.
Okay, sounds good.
Damn,
A
you're
whole
rich.
dollar. If this code is still here in 1 year, you owe me $1.
Does it come
Yeah.
with inflation? I'm just asking because I don't know if I can afford that.
I will say it does take in inflation to account.
Damn it. Okay, guys, if this code is here in a year, I might go bankrupt.
Yeah, for real.
Okay, it might be, but it might be different. That's the thing. That.
Yeah, but I mean, if the code, I mean, this ternary, like, if you're using like if statements in that way, you know, with past equals past, like you don't even need to do equals past or transparency. You can just do dot transparent.
Can I? Okay, that's my
Yeah,
that I can agree. That I will do at least.
but bro, you can make it even cleaner in another way, and it's one less line of code.
You know, I'm just edging you, bro.
You're just rage baiting.
You are horrible.
Nah, he's horrible. Look at that code. He could use a switch there, and it would be so beautiful and nice.
You could have used, yeah, but bro, I don't even know, you don't know me, okay?
But it's because you don't know how to, so we can make you learn the language, right? Yeah, exactly.
I already know how to speak Finnish, alright? I don't need another language.
Right.
Damn.
Right. But Lucas,
You gotta
hypothetically, how
speak
would you make that
Moorings?
in?
That's mad.
Because it's a test, alright? It's a test, and you can score from 0 to 100. So how do you make that pass thingy, material data instance pipeline thingy cleaner?
Well, you see, that's not the, wait, we actually have, the Mr. Internet guy says, when I said the money, that I bet a whole dollar, he said, big bucks, and I agree, like, he's pretty right. Fake news, Lucas speak Finnish. No, I do speak Finnish, okay? You have nothing.
Barely, probably.
Uh, uh, I do
Probably
speak
in the Swedish part, though. He's more Swedish than Finnish at this point.
I actually am, though.
Yeah, like your part, the part of Finland that you live in has been Swedish for so much longer than the northern part. So you're like very Swedish.
No.
You just have a funny accent.
Oh. Where's they're taking like
Yes.
material set, so the descriptor set of this thing. Well, that's the thing that we just created. Oh yeah, but I call it differently.
Hear me out, Lucas.
Mm-hmm.
Hear me out. You can make that passing cleaner, but I know it's wrong, but it's just so you see how clean code looks and how nice it is. All right?
No, bro. You don't understand.
Yes.
You
I
don't-
do understand.
You don't understand, bro.
I do.
The
Bro,
suffering.
it's so you can learn. And it's also free content for your stream, so it's fine.
Bro, they don't want to see me fix shit that I'm gonna throw away.
They definitely want. Mr. Internet Guy, you want him to see you want to see Lucas writing clean code for once, right?
I will do it if Mr. Internet guy says I should.
Okay, yeah. And then it's like 4 lines. That's all you have to write if the Internet Guy agrees.
So you're... Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty much it.
Why not have stop the other
Clean
thing?
code is
Yeah.
overrated. Yep, see.
He didn't answer it though. He has to answer yes or no.
Mad, mad
answer yes or
lad,
no.
actual
He
mad
can't answer with a
lad.
statement.
So
He can't
sad.
answer with a statement. He has to say yes or no.
Wait, do I not? It's literally in here. Stop deal open. It's in here. Why?
Let's see. So here's now the right material. Yes or no statements. No statement. What? What do you mean yes or no? No
Statements.
state. What do you mean yes or no? No statement. No, you said no yourself. I can actually provide the exact words of my team lead from a recent argument at work. Please do.
It's probably Lucas. He's probably working there.
Who gives a
It is Lucas.
See, Harold?
Yeah, but I give a fuck. Yeah, that's right.
He said it. He gives a fuck, guys. Jimmy!
Yeah. Exactly. Okay, so because just making you laugh, I feel I should make you write some clean code, right? Yeah, exactly. Well, thank you.
You know, the main thing is, does the thing run? Doesn't matter how clean the code is, it needs to run. Who is...
I understand that's that I know that's how you're thinking. Yeah, I can see it, but you can
But
still try
also
a little
really,
bit.
W divided by E, what does that mean?
I don't know. Wattage per electron.
Whatever else? I don't know.
Wha-
Something like that.
watts? So like power over electron charge. Whatever.
Yes.
But also really whatever. Whatever. That's a new short thing. What are they called? Not acronym, but what is that called when you shorten a word?
It's called acronym.
No, I don't know. Is
A
that...
contraction?
Maybe.
No.
Just say yes
I don't
to
know.
Lucas making
It's
clean code.
it's something.
Hell suffer, which we like, right? Hell
Heal.
heal.
Yeah, technically, it's like with a little thingy.
Oh no, we don't wanna make people suffer here. I'm just saying. I said yes in theory isn't it enough. Wait, what?
Okay, yeah, exactly. See, he said yes. Right.
Where did he say yes in
All right,
theory?
Lucas.
Where did no?
But he said yes now. So Lucas, you said you have to write something code now.
Okay.
You said it.
No. We'll do this. Okay. Google coin flip. All right.
Google conflip.
Con-
Google
Where-
conflip.
Where is the coin flip? Isn't there just like an online?
Just go to Google instead. You do the exclamation mark
So
G.
so
Okay.
if it lands on heads, we will do it. All right.
No, if it lands on tails. Tails.
If it
Then
lands
you
on
make clean code.
tails, we will do the.
Okay, tails is clean code.
Mm-hmm.
Please.
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's
No, damn it. No.
Did my message go to Narnia or what, Lama? I said yes in theory, which is nice solution for exhaustible enum. What?
Yes, exactly. You see, the guy said yes, and
But
you have to
The
fulfill your
coin,
promises.
the coin said tails.
It's a tails?
The coin said that.
I mean, it said
The
heads.
coin
Coin said
said
heads.
tails?
I'm
I
pretty
don't
sure.
remember.
No,
What did
you
it say?
said it's a tails.
It said
You
heads.
said
My
it's a
bad.
tails.
My bad.
No, you can re-roll it, okay? If it lands on tails, re-roll it once, okay? If it lands on tails, we're gonna make the code clean.
Reroll until morale improves.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
What should be heads again?
It's tails.
It's so fucking
No. This coin flip is rigged. Wait, just try it again and see if it lands on heads every time.
Imagine if they made a fucking random coin flip thing and
It's always wins. Okay. First time is the
I
whatever.
wish I had SEO powers. I wish I had SEO powers like that so I could make a fucking site that's a coin flip that always gives you heads. Or like
Okay,
a
Lucas.
D80 that always gives you a fucking,
What?
I don't know,
You-
21 or something.
One more time.
Okay, one more time. If it lands on heads now, then you write clean code, okay?
Okay.
Watch it lands on tails, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Bro, the universe has spoken. The universe has spoken. I'm not doing it.
Bro, it does not want this. No, it's on Lucas's side. What is this?
No, what do you mean it's on my side? I am on the universe side, it's called.
Lucas is doing
Oh my
RNG
God.
fucking pinning. Like Lucas is actually doing RNG
Bro.
like fucking, what's it called?
God damn it. I don't know, bro. Bro is cheating somehow. He's
Lucas just
hacking.
knows the seed of the universe.
Lucas, fourth times is the charm whatever, right?
Bro, you
If
just
it
gonna
lands on tails. No, this is the last one, okay?
The,
If
the
it lands on
universe
tails,
officially
you write clean
bro,
code.
no. Now the Mr. Internet guy has
Yes.
spoken and he says universe disagrees with Harold. Good game.
Oh, wait, but okay. Can we just go to coin thing and I'll just say something? And if it lands, because I want to see how many, if this universe really just dislikes me.
But
Alright.
you can go play the game yourself. I'm trying to write code.
No, you're not. Wait, just roll it again and we'll see. Okay, I'm saying it's gonna land on heads, right? Right?
just
If you know, it doesn't have to be
here,
clean
here.
code if it lands on heads, okay?
Here, I will send it to the chat and
Okay.
you can play it for yourself.
Oh, nah. It's only with the Lucas finger it works.
Quick, download this coin flip made by Harold.
I just
But-
realized that's like the chance of this fucking string of events happening. That's like 1/2 to the 4th. That's like 1/16th. Yeah, that's 1/16th. That's not that much.
Yeah, that's not too
like-
bad.
Like 6.25%.
Yeah, it's plausible.
Yeah, so Harold had a 6.25% chance of getting fucked by the universe. And he managed to fucking
Wait,
win.
how much do you say? How many percent? did you say?
6.25% chance of those four
So like
coin
6,
flips being
7%?
like that. And yeah, if you round up to the nearest 6-7.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
6-7%
Right.
chance.
I had to.
Yeah, the universe really has spoken.
Okay,
God damn
depending
it.
on what the
No.
material passes, we will select either the opaque or transparent plasma for it. Then we will allocate the descriptor set and write it using the images and buffer from the material source resources. Let's create a default material we can use for the testing as part of the load sequence of the engine. Let's first add the material structure to Vulkan engine and material struct to use for the default. So now they go ahead and add this. So, right, well, we'll just comment it out for now. I didn't do any changes in here. I did do changes in here. And now here, we're gonna start changing a little bit of things, but let's see, what do? They just do this. I'm just gonna, wow! Putting the coin flip link in here, guys. Alright.
Lucas, can you roll the coin once more? It's not to do with clean code, okay? I just want to see if the universe really states me. We need to see this.
I don't think so.
Alright. Also, what are these names, bro? Like,
Don't
it's
wor-
all camera keys.
Yeah, don't worry, it's gonna change. It's just because I need to follow along and use the same shit they use, right? So it's okay. We need to import image now to VK.
Really?
Or material, actually. Oh wait, I already have material here. I'm stupid. That's okay. It's okay. So we can do VK material. And this is just material instance. And then we're gonna have a metal rough material, which is the thing.
Guess who just fucking stir compared a null pointer?
What did you say you
Fuck
did?
me.
What did you do? You
I
said.
stir compared a null pointer.
What does it mean?
I am a
Or-
blithering idiot.
Is it C?
Yes, it is C.
Yeah, in C that would never happen.
Well, yeah, because you know what you're doing, but also you're not hacking the NVIDIA drivers, which like I don't think many people are.
Your people?
yeah,
You got
And you're not
people?
making them to
Yeah.
people.
People?
People.
Lucas is not a person.
I was
Lucas
people
is just
once.
some figment of everyone's imagination that just
Once?
is very. It is like the incarnation of unclean code.
But
Right.
but I do not exist. I'm just the imagination of your perception of unclean code.
Yeah, you're like a dark side of Harold.
Dark side of Harold.
Damn.
yeah, of course.
Damn,
It's
bro.
like his
Horrifying.
is like a worse Scandinavian of Finnish, and he writes unclean code.
Hey,
You
what
see?
the fuck?
It's
And I
just
write clean code?
rage
Oh,
bait.
what the fuck? Thank you.
and you write unclean code.
Oh, I didn't hear the "un" there, bro.
I think you've written clean code maybe like once,
Thank you.
maybe like
that was
twice,
today.
maybe like 6-7 times, but that's it.
Yeah, I try to
Not today.
avoid that because I'm not too concerned about clean code. I'm concerned about getting shit to run.
And does it run?
It does. And you see, I have removed already like 40% of the things that have been taught in this tutorial because I didn't need it. I just need it to understand how it works. And I'm gonna continue removing stuff from here.
Really?
Like, yeah.
Really?
And so there's no point trying to make it
No,
clean.
the doubters, the haters will be
You know,
hating. Anyway.
these are the things I have written clean after I like.
Okay, let's see how
This
clean
thing,
this is.
this one, I have written. This has been horrendous. It has been like 2 or 3 structures, but it's just one now.
Like 6 structures.
Yeah, 6, 7 structures. This one is still gonna be rewritten,
yeah,
but
yeah.
it has been already rewritten a
Alright.
few times, or 2 times actually, 1 time. And this one just got the allocator to be part of the thing, which I think is still pretty good, but it has to still a few changes need to be done to it, you know. But I think this one is the most prime example. This has been like 2 or 3 structures, and it's just one now because I was like, I don't need.
But this thing also does like nothing.
Yeah, but imagine what it did. It had 3 structures to accomplish the same thing, and it was horrendous because OO object-oriented programming.
But that's because you were following, yeah, exactly. You're following an OOP programming.
That's what
okay,
I'm still
Lucas,
doing over
you
here. That's the same thing I do over here.
You know, Lucas, your code it's unclean, but most C++ code is already uncleaner. So I mean, you get that, I guess.
Okay, thank you. That's all I needed to hear. Now I can.
Yeah, which basically means that your code is already better than garbage OOP. Congratulations.
I don't know if that's like I think that's by default by not using OOP. You're making better code.
Yeah, exactly. Like if you're not using OOP, you've already come like halfway to making clean code.
I mean, it's kind of true though.
Yeah,
Like,
now the rest is just naming.
yeah, the rest is just naming.
Yeah, the rest is just naming.
It's very true though, because
can be
if
fixed.
you use object oriented, then things are like then you need rules and guidelines to make actual clean code. But if you don't use it, then it's just write good names and everything is readable.
Yeah, basically write good names and don't make too many structures for useless garbage. And
Yeah.
basically you're done.
Yeah, but also don't make too few structures. Don't make structures that are like too large.
Yeah.
That's also
Yeah.
just
True.
shit.
It's a
You have
balance,
to get
you
a
know.
balance there.
And then don't have a skill issue, which is
Oh
I know,
yeah.
I think it's
Don't
the
write
hardest
C++.
part.
Let's see, what does it say next?
Zig++.
At the end of the init pipeline, we can
Yes.
call the build pipeline function on the material structure to compile it. Clean code is crazy term to use. I guess it is. It's kind of like
Yeah, no, this is-
Sure.
it's kind
But
of
still.
is it kind of like trying to define undefined behavior, you know?
Well, that's pretty easy.
Well, yeah, no, because defining defining the word undefined behavior is easy, but defining all of undefined behaviors
Yeah,
not
because
as easy.
Yeah, okay, well that's defining every single number.
I
No, you
guess.
don't. Like you make some system for it.
Because like you can't really
Defining
like
every single number, yeah, no.
You know.
no, it's just that clean code is kind of
You're
reserved
such
by
a
the whole.
maths fan. Name every natural number.
Hey, the internet guy is pretty accurate. No, it's just that the clean code is kind of reserved by the whole object-oriented paradigm. True.
Yeah, no, it's just like it's whatever. It's stupid naming anyway. It's all semantics. Nobody cares.
Yeah,
You write a thing. If it's
I get-
good, it's good. If it's not good, too bad. Make it better.
true.
Mm. Mm.
No need to worry about semantics.
No, we will worry about
I would
semantics.
just like to worry about everything he can worry about, so too bad.
No, I want my code to be
Worry
clean.
about worry about something else.
Okay,
Yeah.
but no the ref or no the for. Can you look at Lucas' stream and can you tell me that this like config thing here is clean? Can you even read that, bro?
This config thing, well, it's
Well-
confusing. That's what I can say. I look at it
Mhm.
and I
Exactly.
am not
Bro
sure
instead a
what's
comma.
going on in here.
Yeah,
Well,
bro
but
instead
that's,
another comma.
But
Yeah, there's a missing comma or something because it's just at
You-
the end. Yeah, right there,
you want-
there, and then your LSP will make it better. There you go.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
that's already
exactly, that's
better.
what I meant. Yeah.
It's still a mess because it's still like the weird like freaking like because you have just these types. I know it's by necessity because you need to like pass it a list of null terminated strings.
Yeah.
But oh my god, it's just it's just a bit of a. No, it's not that bad. It's fine.
yeah, no, don't worry. It's
I think the
not,
formatting
you're,
actually
you're
helped
not,
it a
You're
bit.
not insulting me. It's Harold who wrote this config.
Yeah, but you remove the comma.
Yeah, I removed the comma.
Yeah.
Why did you remove the comma?
Because I thought
Yeah,
it
I
was
don't know why you
cooler when
removed
it
the
was
comma.
more compact. Like this looks so
Oh
much
yeah,
cooler.
way cooler.
Look at that.
Yeah, but like
wow,
you see
so much
you see where you
cooler.
have the
Can't
like
you-
empty initializer thingies.
Yeah.
Like I it's really hard for me to see where they are.
Mm.
Like the net like the indentation. Like
That's
where
true.
does the next struct member start? Like where do you see the device? It's like
Mm.
I know it's more compact, but it's less readable.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
And it's code and like no matter how you format it, it's still gonna get compiled down to the exact same thing. So you don't need to compact your code. There's no reason to compact your code unless you thank you Harold for robbing me of $278.75.
But you know
But
that,
there's no need to make your code compact if it results in the exact same binary, but it's just less readable.
But you know
Unless you're
that,
golfing.
but you know
Damn.
it's lines of code. It's lines of code we're talking about.
Sometimes other things are more important.
But when Harold, you literally tell me every time I tell you about that. No, we need more. It's cleaner with more lines, and then you're like, no, we're always so opposite.
It depends, bro. It has a cost, you know. It is about balancing like everything else in life.
Wait, I prefer term less suck instead of clean code, and then anonymous struct in
Yeah,
the
true.
config are a little messy. Okay, yeah. Anonymous struct like the
Damn.
Yes, bro. I was gonna do like the exact same thing, no different. Haha. Get beaten, bro.
You can't always win.
Yeah, it's for the moment. I'm about
Honestly,
to.
if I know this is very preferential, you can keep it this way. But if I were you, I'd add a new line like right above each of these like subfields. So the like right after the instance to gets its empty initializer thing, I'd add a new line there, and right after a device, and right after surface, and right after swap chain. But that's very
I don't
preferential.
know if I can. Okay, I can actually do it. I thought the LSP.
Yeah, you can. The LSP allows you like I think one spare new line between things.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, it does actually.
I don't. I don't know, like do whatever you think is more readable. If you think this is more readable, do this. If you think the other one's more readable, do that
We'll
one.
go with that. Anyways, what was I supposed to do? Right, I was supposed to do the init metal.
stupid code formatting anyway. Nobody cares.
Yeah, we
Yeah, have it on one line. Just that's way better.
You can. You don't need to. Why would you?
Because you want to suffer.
I don't know,
That's more effort. You're putting in more effort to do something that's like totally pointless.
Yeah, suffering.
Well, I know code golfing is a thing. I did it in Python. It's very fun in a language that expects indentation. Because you just have to kind of fucking abuse it.
Do it
Really
in
funny.
C. You can just abuse the macro system.
Well, yeah, you can abuse the macros, but
Yeah.
like try doing an include in C and then on the same line doing more stuff. Like you have to separate the includes out from like everything else. And we can just
Yeah, yeah.
like extern everything, but like it just also macros.
yeah.
Macros have the issue that you can't have a macro definition and a macro invocation on the same line. You can't do like one-liners in C like that.
Yeah, no, I guess, but still.
And the
Yeah.
most fun I had with Python was making one-liners specifically. Because it's just like you have to abuse. Because like let's say you want to do a while loop in Python. If you do a while, you need to like you need a second indentation level. You have to drop down and then you need to tab in, or like space in or whatever the fuck. Either way, but you can make a while loop with an iterator. You can have an iterator that returns like your next value, and then just have like take an any on it. Like Python has this like I don't know how you call them, like aggregator like functions, aggregator higher levels. I don't know thingies, but you can on an iterator you can call any, or rather provide the iterator as an argument to any, and then for the first one that for the first one that's true, it will like stop calling the iterator because it already found one that's true, like truthy.
Right.
I wasn't
But
You can
Python is
abuse
also
the fuck out of that.
I wasn't really listening, to be honest. I was
Yeah, no. Either way, funky things, iterators, Python let you do like one-liners.
That's funny. Now at the end of init default data, we create the default material instance structure using the basic textures we just made. Like we did with the temporal buffer for scene data. We're going to allocate the buffer and then put it into the deletion queue, but it's going to be global deletion queue. We won't need to access the default material constant buffer at any point after creating it. So wait, where did it... Init default data, so this is still my my humongous init structure. I don't have it separated in multiple functions. Okay, so they just...
Big
Okay.
chunk is the structure.
Yes. Where did you read that?
I made that up, unfortunately. It is
Damn it.
not real. Big chunk is the structure is just a product of my own cruel imagination.
I also got big chungus.
It's quite sad.
Or it's just called chungus, not big. Or it's Ben Bozo actually. I don't know. I call it chungus
Reasonably
at the same
sized
time,
chungus.
but there it is. This guy. Yeah. He's doing a backflip or something.
The chungus.
Yeah, that's a chungus or Ben Bozo.
Damn. Lucas stream bit rates leaked 2025.
Oh shit. Ah yeah, and then there's me. Sick back. Thank you. I've been practicing.
Great image in the bottom right corner.
Yeah.
Thank you for adding that image. I bet everyone enjoys that.
Yeah, it's actually it's such a great image. Did somebody, Harold? Did somebody pin it in the Discord when was it Phoenix who took the screenshot or something like that?
What? What are you talking about?
The image when I'm just in darkness in the room programming and I'm like
Oh yeah, that's
creepy
Phoenix.
as fuck.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. We have it as a sticker.
It's a sticker. Wait, let me see. Where is it? Did we send it at some point? Oh, T-Chef is in the chat. We'll probably be on like 25 minutes. We'll probably be gone. Maybe I will not. I am.
Look as here it is.
Ah, yes. Look at that. Look at that. Wait. Why can't I? Whatever. That. There it is. The beautiful. I'm not supporting the edit though. I forgot completely about the edit. I was focusing on my face. I was okay. That's not no, Harold. Why did you do this? No, it was supposed to be the normal one with just me being creepy. Okay, well now that happened. Anyways, I'm gonna add this thing. Wait. Oh wait, they actually do it in here like this. Ah, that's crazy, bro. Okay. But soon we will actually start writing the thing, guys. The what's it called? The actual loading GLTF files. That's gonna be great. I think it's gonna be awesome. I have never done it before. It's gonna be crazy. This could actually be. It has to be a bar. We're gonna pass it by reference, I think. Maybe, perhaps. Who knows? But this is a resource. And it's not public. Of course it's not public. Why would it be public? Resource public. Resource. Like so. And then we can do this, and we can do that, and then we can take these ones actually. Whoa! Did you guys see that? That was crazy. In here, and like so. And then we can just do bada bam. Oh fuck, I went too far. Bada bam. And then we can do that. Yes. Then we go to the end. We do this. We do that. We do this. We do that. Bam, 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 bam. This should be all right. It's not all right. Oh, all right. I forgot. I also need to do a. What was the key? It was it? No. It was not that. It was. Ah! That's good to know. Good to know.
Harold died because of mouse cursor.
How did I just select multi-line cursor down one row?
Control V. Control. No, not Control V. Control V is the other one. You want the. Fuck. How do you do multi? I still don't know how you do multi cursors.
Oh, it was Control X.
Ah,
obviously, it was Control X.
Yeah.
And they are right.
Is this like an actual like vanilla Vim thing?
No, I think I have done it, or well, it's there now.
No, it's not. Control X is not a block Vim thing.
I did it.
Hey,
like
that was a bunch of noises. That was a bunch of noises.
I'm a voice actor.
Yes.
I'm back.
Welcome back. How have you
Hey,
been?
back.
We have missed you
Uh,
a lot.
All I'm saying is thank you, Wayland developers. I was trying to take a screenshot, but I forgot that my screenshot button is basically like a nuke. So if I press it, my computer stops working. Yeah.
You see, this is
How?
why I use Arch Linux and not Ubuntu or what Pop OS or whatever the fuck you're using.
It's literally Wayland.
Well, why don't I have the issue? Explain.
Because my screenshotting tool is shit or something.
What the fuck are
I
you
don't
using?
know. What do you use? Do you use Grim and Slurp?
No, I just used a inbuilt Cosmic one.
Ah,
Oh,
okay. Well then,
sorry, I unfortunately no experience there.
I have.
I use
Yeah,
Grim
no.
plus Slurp, and then now I use the built-in Neri thing, and like both of those don't have that issue. So it's not
Yeah, I guess.
Wayland, it's Cosmic.
Yeah, but I will blame it all on Wayland, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
It's
I mean,
better to blame it on Wayland.
Wayland is not perfect either, so.
Yeah. You know, it's their fault that this was even possible to happen. So it's Wayland's fault.
Definitely.
Yeah, like they gave the opportunity for this to happen, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, actually, it's the fault of your CPU maker because the code could run. If not for the CPU existing, this would not have happened.
Ah, yes, it's actually humankind's issue because because you know, if humans didn't exist, CPUs wouldn't exist.
If
No, that
humans
makes-
didn't exist, your stupid mouse cursor wouldn't have disappeared.
Yeah,
All the stupid
exactly.
humans.
I wouldn't even have a
Dang it.
mouse cursor to disappear.
If we didn't have mice, we might have not had mouse cursors.
True.
Wait, allocated buffer material constants? Isn't that like... That looks like C.
The what?
Is valid zig? Yeah, no, this
no,
is
no,
not valid zig. I know it.
This is from the
Okay.
this thing. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Yeah, no, okay. I was looking at it and I was like, what the fuck? This does not look like valid zig.
You know, I miss writing C a lot, honestly.
Maybe you should do some C
No, you don't.
Like,
Write C and then come back, okay, bro?
But
yeah, one thing you'll
Yeah.
realize is that if you do error handling, zig is like actually way fucking nicer for that.
yeah,
say-
that's
Because you
and
actually have a
also,
proper
like-
defer and error defer.
and then also the namespace. I don't know. That's
Yeah, yeah, because it's just like it's all within the fucking type system. It's just,
Yeah.
like it deals with it.
So yeah, it's but I still like I mean C is still kind of nice in the sense for things that also that I enjoy in SIG, which is kind of like in C you can just cast anything to anything, you know, and just implicit casting. It's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, and that's so safe.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's-
I don't like the implicit casting in C. I honestly
Yeah.
think implicit casting should not have been a thing in C.
I don't know, like
Except for the fact that all your fucking mallocs would have so many explicit casts that you
Yeah.
die.
but it's like that is what I mean.
type
Like
systems.
I do enjoy it to some extent, but at the same time, it's also a lot. It introduces a lot of issues.
Like,
You want to implicitly cast a void pointer
maybe
to a
six,
struct pointer and then back, and then like the fucking size of the struct changes 7 times,
Yeah.
and then I do pointer arithmetic and it kills everyone.
Wait, I was supposed to pass. Fuck. Am I using the right thing? I don't think I'm doing the right thing. I think they just do it in a different way. VK usage, uniform buffer, and then VMA usage. Yeah, I'm thinking about the right thing. I just need to pass in the Vulkan VMA in here. VMA, that, and then I can pass in these things, which I could literally
What does
just.
VMA even do? Does it like? It does some buffer stuff, but does it like actually do anything interesting?
It's instead of you managing like all of this interest in like what is it called, like very like this GPU memory, like you still do it very verbose and explicit, but it kind of like maps it in a more in a better way, and it also has like kind of it optimizes the memory better on the GPU than if you did it most
Does
of
it?
the time.
Really?
Yeah.
Can't you just read whatever the fuck VMA does and just do that yourself?
Yeah, you could, but the thing is, what it does is kind of like it's a lot of like this annoying small tidy. Well,
Oh
Vulkan as a
shit! Is
whole
this just is this just a single header that's 20,000 lines long?
Yes.
Great. Yeah.
I don't remember. Wait, it's to do with when you load vertices and they're indices. So it's just it does it because you need to store what was it? You need to store 2 separate things in order for it to work, but it puts it together in one thing, and that's why it's so nice and convenient to
Yeah,
use.
can't you just like put it in one thing yourself? Then I guess I don't know.
Yeah,
like-
yeah, you could, but also
I
like
don't know.
it has
Like
some
some of the Vulkan thingies they make sense, but some of the other Vulkan thingies like
Oh wait, here.
why do you need to do that?
There, Mr. Internet guy actually said a pretty good, like, very abstract thing, but it's like accurate.
Hmm.
VMA is like malloc, but for the GPU.
Eh.
And it's pretty true.
Like, kind of, yeah, kind of. No, it's holy fucking. It depends.
Holy fucking.
This is one of the biggest it depends ever.
Meaning a
like...
pooling allocator.
Oh, so it is okay. So yeah, no, that's a very different thing because Do I actually no? I think all malloc implementations do pooling because like mmap only gives you like page chunks of memory, and yeah. Yeah, I guess. I guess. So, well, like, actually, the name makes more sense now thinking about it because it's called the Vulkan memory allocator.
Memory.
'Cause
Yes.
it's an allocator implementation. Why is it a single header file though? It's just beyond me. Like, just like, no, no, I don't want to read a 20,000 line file. I know this probably doesn't have bugs because it's like it's used so often, but just like, or if it does have bugs, the bugs will be found relatively quick. But why? Why do I need 20,000 lines of C++ for like anything that touches Vulkan? Like, uh, actually no, that's not a good example because it's like a really small thing.
It does some fancier stuff too, but for the most part, yeah, it's a beautiful thing,
Yeah, no.
bro.
Well, it's a beautiful thing, but it's also like a massive behemoth. Like,
Yeah. But
do you always need all of this?
yes, if you or like if you're gonna, you don't need those 20 lines of code, 20,000 lines of code, you know. If you're gonna do something very basic, like you just it kind of
It still builds 20,000 lines of code. It's
yeah,
like
but
C++.
it is
You
actually
can't really
like
just tell it to, okay, don't build this.
which it was a
Unless
major
everything's marked
company
as inline, which
who like they had like professional Vulkan like developers on their engine.
But like the owning like Kronos, like the people from
No,
there. Or
it
what?
was like an actual gaming studio who I don't remember which it was, but they switched over to using VMA and their like GPU like memory usage became like 20% more efficient. Like it has it is actually
Damn.
it's actually a great library. So
Yeah. Just why C++? Why does it have to be C++?
well, there is
Because C++ interop is just C++ interop.
Yeah. I know I was implementing it myself. Yeah, Mr. Internet Guy was implementing Vulkan memory allocator himself. Some of the alignment stuff for GPU pooling is a bit more complex. Yeah. It's also when you're limited, bro. 8 gigabytes of RAM. Oh, you're limited. But honestly, like,
Yeah.
it's quite quickly.
It depends on what you have to allocate.
Yeah, because you can quite quickly like start like eating up that memory on the GPU. Like if images takes a few, let's say 30 megabytes, some high quality images, right?
Oh yeah, no, I bet if you deal with alignments and like, because I don't know how GPUs do memory paging.
Yeah,
I've never actually like tackled that, because I don't know how big a GPU memory page is, and I don't know whether mapping a GPU page, like, do you map GPU memory by like host page? Like, is it the same size as a host page? And then you have to align all your pages to like on x86, I believe it's 4K, like 4096 bytes. Then if every texture is misaligned, if it's exactly misaligned, you're wasting like 4K on every texture. But maybe it's bigger pages, so like yeah.
But I wonder, like, also, it's still the operating system that manages the memory on a GPU, right? It has
no,
to
it's
be.
the GPU driver stack.
Is it?
Because it's not the operating system, because like
kernel.
Linux does not know what the fuck it. Well, actually, the kernel might know a bit.
Yeah.
Given the fact, well, on Linux it's actually really fucking complicated because there's many different ways of talking to a GPU. But if your GPU is more enough that it uses DRM, I think most of the buffer allocation goes through, what is it called? Not DRI. It's shit. I touched this thing when I was dealing with NVIDIA. But DRM has something for allocating buffers, and something for, well, it all, like, in the end, it all depends on the GPU driver. The GPU driver has to partition the GPU memory between like different apps and like whatever. So on NVIDIA, it's probably some, like, a part of it might be the user space NVIDIA, like GPU utils, and part of it would be the kernel space, whatever the fuck is going on. And actually, on even newer like NVIDIA GPUs that have the like the GSP, the ARM coprocessor, that thing is probably also handling some of the allocation bullshit by itself.
The hard part is supporting stuff
On
like
AMD, it's
overlapping,
probably going to be like mostly kernel though.
overlapping an image and image alignment granularity. No, it's very different from normal host memory, Mr. Internet guy says. Well, I mean,
Yeah, it is very different from. Oh,
Mm.
well, yeah, of course, because you don't have like a normal allocate. You can't just. You have to map the like memory regions explicitly, because by
Yeah.
default they're only for the GPU to touch, and it's not like just writing or reading from an address. That's like actually on the host. It's also not really that easy because you have to do page assignment. Like once you get into anything lower level than like a user space app, it also starts getting really fucking convoluted. So it's like it's something.
Yeah.
But I can imagine. It just gets really complicated, and the memory alignment bullshit's like just and also this is probably like a good implementation of a freaking what do they call pooling allocator. Like it properly frees memory when you don't use a texture, I assume. So it actually like it tries to defragment the gaps and everything else. Well, it probably isn't defragment because I think moving stuff on the GPU like all around memory would be pretty fucking expensive. But maybe it's just a good implementation. Maybe it's like somewhat a bit like an arena, like a multiple arena allocator,
Let's see. It's
so you don't waste too much space.
it's very implement but good enough for most use cases. It's very mid implementation but good for most use cases.
Well, yeah, but then also you have to factor in the fact that between the way that NVIDIA allocates and AMD allocates, just on Linux, you're going to see differences. And then that and the Windows drivers, and then like if you run your Vulkan code via Molten VK on macOS, that's going to be even more different. So you have many implementations, and you need to make your allocator work kind of like that's like saying that basically you have 10 different ways of paging on your x86 platform. And then you have to make all of those work with your allocator efficiently.
Why can I not, bro? Jesus Christ.
I don't
Okay.
know that much about the allocation side, but I know about like shader thread groups on NVIDIA. Like you're limited to the size of one warp, which is I don't remember. Was it? It's not 16. It's not 16. I know that on AMD it's bigger. Like your thread group like limit for it to like for a compute shader to efficiently utilize the GPU, you have to spawn at least like I don't want to lie. I think it's a 16 by 16 block of threads, because else it just like doesn't do the shit correctly, or like it like spawns. It still uses that much.
Yeah, but a little bit. I'm actually getting close to the sleep schedule. So like half like trying to focus on the writing and then what you're saying.
Do you have a sane wake up time on Saturday?
I
Crazy.
always like try to keep some rhythm, even if I'm free or not. Like I just prioritize sleep
Yeah, I know.
above anything, to be honest, because I just know that if I don't, sleep is kind of like you don't want to sacrifice that.
Sleep is important.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I do it very often.
But honestly, like if your sleep is fucked, everything else just becomes fucked. Like I can't. At least I'm just. I cannot argue with that.
Yeah, no, I know where you're coming from.
Yeah.
I know it's nicer when it's like consistent.
So, like everything from how you eat, how you how you take your breath, how you feel, and everything like is affected if you don't have good sleep.
Yeah, it's just that like I'm built like a fucking cat. I really want to wake up at 10 a.m. but like with all the school shit and everything else, I just can't. So it's always a sacrifice of how much I want to like actually do.
Yeah.
Because I only start getting like kind of productive way into the evening.
But another thing.
Or I. Oh.
Another thing I realized when I started to prioritize sleep is that I actually started needing less sleep. I sleep like on average like 6 hours a night.
Damn.
Yeah, and like some
6
nights.
or 7.
Yeah, for real though, it is like around that. But also another thing I realized, like some nights I just sleep 4 hours, and I'm like perfectly ready to go because it's just that when sleep got priority, my body just was like, I just need to sleep this much. I don't really need more, so you can get going if you want to. I'm like, okay.
Mad. What
But it's
kind of
so
like real life hacks is that?
but it was so weird, and when that happened for me, I was like, "What the fuck? I haven't slept for 4 hours, but I'm like, I'm ready to go. Like, what am I supposed to do?"
I don't know. I won't feel qualified to talk about any good like sleep pattern stuff or like any health stuff because I took a fucking 3 hour nap yesterday and and then I slept like an extra 7 hours during the night. So yeah.
Yeah, no.
No, it's like 10 hours of a day just slept through.
Yeah, but it's because I have been on the boats. I have been where I wanted to need to sleep like 12 hours a day because I didn't prioritize it. So I also know that side, and it's fucking awful. I was kind of like a game addict. I played the whole day back then. Ooh, crazy.
Damn.
Wait, Mr. Indian guy is also like, must be nice. I sleep 8 hours a day minimum, or I die. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Bro, I slept like 6 or 7 hours.
Oh my. Harold, someday I will figure out how to kick you, and I will kick you.
Really?
No.
Yeah, that's good. Well, you actually did it once though.
Yeah, I forgot how I do it, so you're lucky. All right.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh wow.
Do I want to do a splat? Nah, I'm just gonna do a like this. I think I can do this. This is legal, right? This is legal.
I wonder if Splat actually emits an SS or not an SSE. Yeah, no, it should be an SSE intrinsic. Because I think there's one that's like, just duplicate this number 4 times and write it to memory. Or actually, like, first duplicate it 4 times and then write it to memory. I love SimD. Not always, but sometimes.
SimD, this is also
Pretty
another
cool.
reason I would like to go back to C for a little while to just try out SimD. Like, actually, I don't know. Like, I feel like there's the best place to practice.
Trust me, you don't want to try out SimD. Like look at this garbage. A freaking.
No. I've seen the SimD like is it a standard library? I don't know. It's a library at least, and how the function methods.
It is standard library stuff. It's just it gets ugly. It gets ugly.
Yeah, it does, but it's also like
where's the ugly? There you go. There's the ugly. This is SimD and macros because C doesn't have generics, and I wanted to do.
Right.
I wanted to do different like SimD sizes, so I had to do X macros because C. Trust me,
I'm streaming your
SimD
stream
really
just
helps
so you
with
know.
generics. Okay, yeah, so like this is horrible code, never write this. But I wanted to have a SimD implementation with AVX2 and SSE4 because not all CPUs have AVX2, turns out. It's a lot of them, but not all.
Yeah.
And I have friends who are on platforms that actually don't have AVX2, so I had to do that.
Yeah.
And doing SimD inside macros and dealing with all the freaking stupid types because you have to deal with the like stupid who named this type? Who named this type? Who made __ M256i?
M, what is the multi? Does it start just for multi-data or like the M? What does it stand for?
No, it's just 256 bits.
Yeah, but
integer like type.
What does the
one
M?
that AVX2 can operate on.
What does the M stand for?
M? I have no idea. I have no idea. Actually, what does the M stand for? Like memory? I don't know.
Maybe. That could be.
Like I know the M. Actually, no. What does the MM stand for in these? Like.
Well, doesn't stand for like single operation, multiple, blah blah blah, something.
Well, yeah, but does M just stand for multiple in M512?
Maybe.
For these or M256?
SimD and C or other older languages just use a library. To be honest, well, I guess, but it's still like just to kind of. I would like to just do it once, kind of. Something just to see it.
Oh yeah,
you know?
I don't know. So SimD is a thing. SimD is a thing. Also, this is like really ugly code, but whatever. Oh no, so for SIMD, if you use any like advanced AVX 512 features or AVX, well, AVX2 is most like AVX2 is pretty fucking common by now. But if you use any AVX 512 features, get ready to like make CPU ID your best friend, because without CPU ID you can't do like you can't check whether you can actually use SIMD. Because on Rust you just have like in Rust rather you have like compilation targets.
Yeah.
And you can have one for and like there's standard library support for SIMD that makes SIMD not as ugly as in C. Because in C it just gets messy. It's not great.
There
But
is
yeah,
wait.
yeah.
The issue is that it's
This
platform
is like a signature scanner
specific
thing.
as fuck. Apparently it's platform specific as hell.
Oh yeah, no, it's not. Yeah, it is. It's architecture specific because this is the Intel variant of SIMD, or I guess the x86 variant of SIMD.
Yeah.
If you do SIMD on ARM, you need to deal with ARM Neon and SV something. I don't remember the third letter, but there's like two of them. But yeah, either way, just like, and if you do it on x86, get ready for this site to become your favorite, because you're gonna like, yeah, no, I want to compare like two packed floats. Compare floats. No, how do you fucking do? Because it's gonna be a comp and it's gonna be packed F. No, it's gonna be It's one of these.
There's a lot of them.
256 because
No
we
point
are working with
not using a library
AVX2.
that takes care of the platform stuff. Modern languages like Sig and Rust have a built-in stdlib support. Oh, what? Okay, maybe I'm too crazy.
And in C you either have a library that does this for you, but then you have to write on a library that does this for you, which like I have not found many that actually do this nicely.
Okay.
It's like I genuinely feel like writing the raw like x86 and ARM implementation is gonna be easier in the long term.
Yeah. Another cool thing I would like to try
you don't
is
have
like
to deal with something
inline assembly in code, you know.
It has its uses, but it's very rare.
Yeah, no, but
your compiler is very smart.
It's not that like it's not for the sake of like optimizing anything. It's just that I would like to try it.
Oh yeah, no, yeah. You could try. Well, choose your poison, I guess. You can learn. No, well, actually, no. You're doing this on Linux. You probably will have to, if you want to do inline assembly in like C. You will have to learn the GCC like stupid clobber syntax, which I never like. I read through the manual twice and I still don't understand it. It's like I know M is for memory and then like R is for the registers, but then you can sometimes specify some of the base registers and some like. And then like what about the like automatic register allocation? It has it just like I don't know. It's confusing. It's wacky. It's learnable. I bet. It's just it couldn't really be fucked.
Yeah, probably. Okay.
If you just write assembly, like if you write assembly like in a separate like assembly file, like I don't know, like function.s or whatever, like or like snippets.s, whatever else, and then you link it with your C program. That's pretty nice and easy. You have to write all of the assembly by yourself, which is sometimes a bit annoying, but it's also like you don't have to deal with the stupid GCC assembly syntax. That's like my biggest issue.
Yeah. That's it.
But that might just be that definitely just is a skill issue.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna write this final thing, and then I probably gonna try to compile, and then I'm gonna go. I'm not even gonna try to compile because I know it won't work. I actually have a mutex that needs to be tweaked. But then I will just go sleep. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay. Also, sorry for going off on a yap.
Nah, it's great. It's good. I think
totally sidetracked. I forgot what I was doing.
It's good. It's I still like I'm like a little bit. I'm very I suck at multitasking. So honestly, I don't follow up on everything you say, but a lot of it still. And it's just interesting still.
I'm amazed you managed to keep on coding. I have like full on Wendy Apathon mode.
No, yeah. It's
Shit, why did
okay.
you-
We can pass the global descriptor here now. Bam. Oh, descriptor allocator. It's called. All right. Let's see. That is a wrap on this. I think tomorrow we'll actually just start to load in the damn things. Well, I probably will try to compile it once before we start tomorrow loading in the shit. Fuck. I just wanted to read this. After that, they say, we are going to fill the parameters of the material and material resource with the default white image. Then we create a buffer to hold the material color and add it to the deletion. Then we will call bright material to create the descriptor set initial. Okay, actually, this should all be valid data then, in that sense. Except for I do not assign it here. But besides that, it should actually be all... valid in that case. I forgot that we actually put the valid data of the white image there. Yeah. Then it should actually be fine to just run and use. I will just see sig build run. It will. I'm not gonna try to fix it, but if it runs, then it's good. If it doesn't, have no member type. See descriptor set layout. It should be there. Maybe it's layouts. VK. We'll fix it tomorrow. Anyways, I'm gonna hit that bed, and tomorrow, mesh and camera. Oh fuck. Well, actually, that's pretty good, and it will. Soon we will start to have something actually pretty damn cool, and then there's just a little bit of multiplayer and that's pretty much it. ECS. Yeah, and we have to see what we do with space time. Yeah. All right. Now that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for joining, everybody.
See y'all later.
Whopping 0 viewer, 1 over there, and 2 over here. Good night. Harold, do you want to hit it again?
Yep.
Completely
What the fuck is this piece of
100%
shit?
based.
Based.